Mercy on my grave. 60 counts, 1 wall. Advanced rolling 8. Weight on the left. Section 1. 2 walk. Walk right, left. Make a 180 turn facing 1030. Rock forward on right. Recover half. Quarter, quarter back. Back to 1030. Forward, cross, 1 each side. Scrub to 12. Side, cross, side, behind with sweep. Count section 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Section 2. Behind, 1 8 forward, facing 1030. Slow step, pivot half, 430. 2 twinkle, scrub to 6, and traveling forward. Cross, side, rock, cross, side, rock. Forward with sweep. Twinkle half turn, cross, quarter back, quarter side, back to 12. Count section 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and Section 3. Make a 180 turn facing 1030. Walk right, left. Forward with sweep 180. Scrub to 12. Cross side behind. Sway to the right. Sway to the left. Ball side. Recover to the right. Behind. Quarter forward and forward left. Now facing 3 o'clock. Count section 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Section 4. Step forward, half turn, facing 9. Rock right to the right diagonal. Recover, right sailor, behind side rock, behind quarter forward, facing 12. Make a slow forward half turn, facing 6. Weight on the left. 3 run, right, left, right. Count section 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and Section 5. Forward left with sweep. Cross side behind with sweep. Behind side cross. 1 forward on right. Facing 730. Recover ball back with hitch. Right coaster step. Count section 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and section 6. 2 walk, left, right, forward, pivot half, facing 130. Full turning weave or full turning was basic. Cross turn back, back turn forward, facing 130. Rock forward on left, 3 run back, right, left, right. Count section 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and Section 7. Make a quarter turn facing 1030. Step left, sway left, sway right. Step sweep 3-8 facing 6. Cross side collect. Cross side behind with sweep. Behind side forward. Count section 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and Section 8. Step pivot half facing 12. forward, touch. End of the dance and start again. Count section 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tag after wall 1. Single count rocking chair. Forward rock, recover. Back rock, recover. Whole dance count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Tag 1, 2, 3, 4.